In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom proposals in Proposify. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or an advanced user looking to refine your skills, we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can craft impressive proposals that reflect your brand personality and meet your business needs. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, head over to your search engine and type in Proposify. Typically, the desired result will be right at the top of your search results page. You're looking for the link with the URL proposify.com. That's the one we'll be working with today. So go ahead, click on that link. Once you're on the Proposify homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner. You should see the Log In button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If this is your first time here, you'll need to create an account, which is both straightforward and essential for creating those sleek proposals we're aiming for. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. What you need here is the plus template option. This handy tool allows you to either create a new template from scratch or choose one of the ready-to-use templates provided by Proposify as a starting point. This can be particularly useful if you're pressed for time or need inspiration to get started. Now that we have our template, let's look into customizing it to represent our brand effectively. Click on Edit Styles and Formatting. This feature opens up a range of customization options where you can modify text styles, table formatting, and even page margins. It's an excellent way to ensure that your proposal aligns visually with your branding and overall marketing materials while maintaining a professional look. Next, let's discuss the addition of sections to your proposal. Proposify offers the flexibility of adding sections from its content library or importing your own PDF, both useful features depending on your specific content needs. You can create page flow sections, which allow for dynamic content expansion, or static sections that stay fixed, giving you the ultimate flexibility based on your proposal requirements. For efficiency and consistency across multiple proposals, make use of Proposify's Snippets feature. This lets you save frequently used text blocks, making it easier and faster to draft future proposals without reinventing the wheel each time. Simply save these snippets and insert them whenever needed across different templates. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create custom proposals in Proposify that not only reflect your brand's identity, but also help communicate your message effectively. Remember to take the time to explore Proposify's various features, as mastering them will greatly enhance your proposal game. Happy proposing!